thing looks good. All right, what up you guys? Hopefully the quality of this video is great. I'm trying out a new camera, the Insta360 Go S. This is what it looks like. It should be 4K, and I don't know if it's going to be good in low light, so today is a test of it. This is my 2015 M3, Secure Orange, Stage 2, on flex fuel, and it's manual. But yeah, I'm gonna pop the hood real quick, show you guys under the hood. So under here, there's nothing too special going on. Just ARM Motorsports intakes, ARM Motorsports charge pipes, ARM Motorsports J pipe, ARM Motorsports catless down pipes, and yeah, we did get the crank up done not too long ago. We went to Colorado to get that done. This car is pretty basic, but we do have a single turbo kit on the way that's going to be going on soon. But yeah, there's a quick little run around of what's done to the car. And there's been a guy commenting that he's been wanting to see POV videos driving, so that's what we're going to do today. We're just going to go out, go for a little cruise, grab some food, and then head back home. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But like I said, I haven't tried this camera yet at all. I had the older version before. The older version was like 2.7K quality, where this one's all the way up to 4K. So yeah, well, I hope the quality is good. I hope the audio is good. I hope everything is going to be good for you guys. I don't know if I'm going to do much talking. Mainly focus on driving the thing. These intakes are so loud. I love it. And if you're curious about the exhaust setup, it is a I think I said it already, ARM Motorsports downpipes. They're catless and resonated. And then I have their single mid pipe, which is resonated as well, going back to a axle back from Azora Motorsports. And that is my full exhaust setup. Hopefully the wind noise is not too loud. So yeah, hopefully you guys can hear the intakes and whatnot over the wind noise. I have the windows cracked a bit. And also, since we're on the flex fuel tune, if I hold down right here on this button, if you guys can see, it'll show us our percentage of ethanol. We're at about E77 right now, somewhere around there. On S55s, if you're stock fueling, I heard anything above E50 is pretty pointless on these cars. But yeah, I just throw ethanol in it, don't have to worry about mixing or anything. Even all the way up to like E85, it still doesn't bother the car, it doesn't break up or anything. But apparently you just get no gains from going higher than E50. This thing pulls so good, bro. For what it is, stock turbos, simple tune, it feels really, really good. In any gear, it just goes. That's fifth gear right there. Just gets up and goes. Roll the windows up a little bit, talk to you guys. But yeah, I have a single turbo kit coming. We're going to be running the Speed Tech single turbo kit. It's going to be a 64, 66 Pulsar turbo with a T150R mod. So this thing is going to sound insane. It's going to sound like a freaking jet, and I'm super excited for that. We also got motive reflex, port injection with 750cc injectors, and we also got a I think it's a spec clutch. That's the first part that showed up for the car, a spec. I'm brain farting right now. Dual, what is that called? Shit, I can't remember, guys. But we have a one-piece flywheel, not a dual mass, and it's a twin disc. That's the word I'm looking for, twin disc. A twin disc clutch, so hopefully it's not too crazy. I know it'll easily hold the power. It's rated up for 1,200 foot-pounds of torque, and we're gonna be nowhere near that, so that clutch should be plenty. And I just really hope it's daily drivable even though I don't daily this car anymore, but you know, I don't want it to be like too crazy. I got all that stuff. Like I said, the clutch is the only thing that showed up so far. We're still waiting on shipping confirmation for the motive stuff, and same with the turbo kit. So I don't know, I hope I get one of those things shipping out here soon. Other than that, all I really need to order is like a 3-port Mac valve, and then probably some miscellaneous small things here and there. We'll see. Also, right now we are on BM3, but I am switching over to MHD. I did buy everything already. I just kind of want to make a video of what the differences feels like, I guess. The reason why we're switching over to MHD is because everybody says motive talks better with MHD. Tuners prefer using MHD and motive together rather than BM3 and motive. So yeah, that's the main reason why we're switching over to MHD. But another plus with MHD is that you can flat foot shift manual cars with that. On BM3 you can't. They don't have an option for that. So yeah, I'm excited to switch over, try it out. Apparently these off-the-shelf maps are more aggressive as well, so when I switch over we'll see the difference with that too. Also, BM3 has anti-lag, so yeah, let me show you guys that real quick. Make sure there's no cops around here. Yeah, you hold up on this cruise control button right here and it just takes off like a rocket. MHD, it has it as well, but you hold down the res button instead of this cruise control little up and down button, and I think that's actually better, holding down the res button, because when I do hold up on this other button here, it's pretty easy when you hit a bump to like move your thumb off of it and get off of anti-lag on accident when you're trying to do like pulls with other people and whatnot. Gosh, third gear feels so crazy in this thing. Fourth gear is even crazier. Sounds so cool. I can't wait to go single turbo because this thing is gonna sound insane. The exhaust is gonna sound better. The turbo noises are gonna be crazy. It's just gonna be crazy, man. I don't know if I've talked about this, or I think I have talked about this, but the Civic is gone. I did sell it. I sold all the turbo stuff along with it. Yeah, I abandoned the whole Civic project in order to single turbo this thing. I just didn't see the point in having two big turbo cars. I'd rather just have the one big turbo on the M3 because that's what I really, really wanted to do. Eventually down the road we will be building another Civic, because that is one of my dreams to do as well. But for now we have my M3 that's going to be single turboed, and then for a front wheel drive big turbo car, my dad's Eclipse is also like pretty up there. That thing is, there's a lot of things that have been going on behind the scenes with that car. Basically my dad got a new turbo for that Eclipse and got it retuned, and it was pretty damn good, not gonna lie.
Hi, welcome to Panda Express. Would you like some fire, please? Burger chicken. Order whenever you're ready.
Can I get a plate, please, with chow mein, and then double Beijing beef. As I was saying, he got a new turbo on the Eclipse. The thing ripped way better. Like the power bands were good. Like before, with the old turbo, you bang off limiter in first, throw it in the second, it would bog a bit and then catch up and build boost again. But with the new turbo, it's just it just stays in boost. It was super good, and then the head started to lift. So he got a new head gasket, stronger studs, put it all in. He dailied it for a couple days to get it ready to go back onto the dyno, and then day he was about to go back onto the dyno. He was driving to work or something, and it just started running like crap. So he took it back home, parked it, and I think yesterday he pulled the head again on it, and there was a piece of the head gasket missing from cylinder 1 and cylinder 2, like right in between, like right here. So yeah, that would explain the loss of compression in cylinder 1 and 2. He had a big old gap in the head gasket. Brand new head gasket, super strong head studs as well, like the APR. They're like the I can't remember the exact thing, but they're like the silver head studs, so they're like the super strong ones or whatever. And yeah, somehow that brand new head gasket just blew like that. I don't know if it's like a crazy detonation that happened or something, but I don't know. So he has a buddy with a built head, so he might just get that built head, throw it back on this time, get a better head gasket. I don't know. At first I told him to go with like an OEM head gasket, but he couldn't find an OEM one, so hopefully this time around he can find one, so that car could actually be like really good and pretty bulletproof. Alright, we got the food. Didn't want to have a camera rolling while the guy was serving me and stuff, but yeah, while we were waiting in line, the check engine light came on. Check engine light usually comes on for my intakes. It happens pretty regularly, so I'm not too concerned about it. We'll see if that still happens after we switch to MHD. Yeah, also with BM3, if I hold down this res button, I can switch maps. Right now we're on map 2, and I can switch down to map 1, and map 1 is my like pop tune. Like jeez, it's so loud with these pops, man. But yeah, that's how easy it is to switch from my like normal daily driving, no pop tune map, to my pop tune map, just for fun sometimes when like people ask me to rev it or something like that. Like those pops are nothing right now, but sometimes it'll just be like BOW, super loud. I'm pretty sure I've shot a flame before too, and this is just off the shelf map with like maxed out burble settings. So it's possible to shoot flames without like an actual custom tune. Another thing I really like about this car is the auto rev matching. You don't have to heel toe, none of that. You don't have to manually rev it. It just does it. It's so nice. Like, I love that in this manual car. I don't care if it takes away from the driving experience or whatever. It's a daily car. Like, you daily drive this thing, it is super nice to have that auto rev matching feature. This thing feels so good, bro. Yeah, this thing is nuts. This thing is nuts. For it being stock turbo and just a tune, it feels so good. Fourth gear is like the power gear, and it really starts to go when you get into fourth. That's sixth gear. Sixth gear builds boost super quick. Like, it's crazy. All right, you guys, we are back home now. The battery on the little pod actually died when I was really close to home, so I guess the battery life on this thing isn't too good, but I guess that's what happens when you're recording at 4K and this tiny little pod is just recording by itself. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.